Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus Open. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you're ready, select Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by scanning this QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and tap on Receive button to connect. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!